All right, so you're going to take your T-nuts that look just like this, and you're going to loosen these two bolts, lift the crossbar up, and then you're going to slide the T-nut, two on each side, into this groove right here. You can see we've already done that. We've got this one with the bolt on it, but then this one you're going to want to leave the bolt out, and then you're going to want to position these so that they're towards the front here. And then you're going to take your bracket like so, put it over, and then you're going to want to put this, screw this bolt into that T-nut. And then this one slides in like so, and then you tighten it up and you're done. Once you've tightened your bolts on both sides, it's ready for you to install your awning. And you'll use your Fiamma bracket will install directly to the face of the awning bracket.